So sleeping event is an unexpected or unwanted event. So that due to that sleeping event, Anisha objective is disturbed, disrupted her objective. Her objective is she will gain something, she will learn something, she will write something, she will ask something, etc. etc. So in a program, Python program, Python interpreter is executing, and the Python interpreter line by line it is executing, that is called as interpreting. So on which line, if the exception will arise, then on that line process will stop. As a result, the control is not able to execute on that line onwards, whatever the lines, whatever the statements you have written. So as a result, the remaining statements not able to execute. So if all statements are not executing, then we will not get the output. So that is called as abnormal termination. In a program, if all statements are executing and getting output, that is called as normal termination. In a program, some statements are executing, some statements are not able to get a chance to execute. As a result, we are not getting output, then that is called as abnormal termination. So that's why the concept is saying when an exception raised in a program, the program is abnormally terminating. So that point you write. So when an exception raised in a program, raised in a program, the program will, the program will abnormally, abnormally terminate. So we will see to an example. So now I am opening my Jupyter notebook. So everybody is understanding. I hope everybody got clarity.
Yes, sir.
So now I will create a new file, very important topic and beautiful topic. So now I will create a new file. Now I will give the file name, suppose Python exception handling. So suppose I will write, suppose x equals to, let 10 by 0, let print hi, let print hello, let print suppose 10 by 2, suppose. So here this is my small source code. So here we have four statements. So line by line the control will execute. Just to see when the first line, when the first line will execute. When the first line will execute, so what will happen? Something divided by 0, 10 by 0, this line control cannot understand what is this, because something divided by 0 is undefined. So when the statement it executed and control is not able to evaluate, then the control quite will be sure it is an exception. Remember, when the statement executed and control is not able to evaluate, control is not evaluating, so 10 by 0, so what is the output? Undefined. So the control will know this line representing an exception. Then currently I told on which line an exception raised, immediately process will be stopped. These are the remaining statement, three output statement, print statement. These three statements never execute. So what will happen internally? What the control will do once control knew this line representing an exception. This line representing an exception internally control will create an exception object. That exception object control will pass to the default exception handler. You remember there is a terminology, default exception handler. It is a part of control. The default exception handler responsibility is to handle exception. Then the control will tell to default exception handler, please you take it and you try to handle. Then default exception handler will tell to control, sir, I can handle, but provided that the programmer should write a handling code. Till now, we don't know what is a handling code. In later on, we will cover. So then the control will inform to the default exception handler, if the programmer have not written handling code, then one thing that you do, you give the clarity to the programmer. You give the detailed description about the exception to the programmer. Sorry, we cannot execute your program due to this reason. Then the default exception handler will do that. Just to see, when I will hit run, just to see, we got this exception and the exception name is zero division error and the description is division by zero and indication in which line arrow mark is given. In this line exception is arising. So from the control side, what the description is coming to the programmer, zero division error, the name of the exception, this exception is arising, and what is the reason behind that? Description is division by zero. Control is saying to the programmer, due to division by zero, the exception zero division error is coming. Sorry, we cannot execute your program. Everybody got clarity?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Yes.
zero division error is your exception name. You remember, this is a built-in child class. Every exception is one child class, built-in child class. Every exception is an inbuilt class, and strictly speaking, inbuilt child class. Z is capital, D is capital, E is capital. So zero division error is a built-in child class, particularly in our context. This is what? This is our exception name.
Sir.
Everybody got clarity?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
Yes, sir.
another example. Suppose y, suppose one list 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Zeroth index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index. Suppose z equals to y of 5 divided by suppose 10. Let print hi, print hello, print Python. Just to see, this is a list Zeroth index data item is 10, 1 index data item is 20, 2 index data item is 30, 3 index data item is 40, 4 index data item is 50. Okay. Then what I am trying, y of 5. So there is no 5 index data item. 0th index, 1 index data item, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index. There is no 5 index data item. Then y of 5. When the control read this line and the control will try to execute, then definitely control will face the problem. So control will fill this line representing an exception. Now just to see, now I will hit run. Index error, list index out of range. Error is index error. Index error and description list index out of range. So y of 5, that is 5 index is the out of range. So on which line the exception is arising, on which line the exception is arising, so on that line the process is stopping. As a result, the remaining statement never get a chance to execute. So error is arising. This is called as abnormal termination. So that's why the concept told on which line exception is arising, program is abnormally terminating. Clear? I hope everybody got clarity. What is an exception?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Clear?
Sir.
Give me response.
Yes,
Everybody
sir.
got clarity?
Yes, sir.